I didn't know. I thought everyone had to have them because, when you're talking about lives.
I've heard the fire sirens go off, but not the tornado ones.
When was the last time that the village of West Union had a successful test?
That I can't answer.
West Union has 2 broken sirens. The mayor knows where both are located, but can't remember the last time they worked.
When was the last time you remember that happening in the county?
I really can't answer that either because it's been a little while.
There's no guarantee all of Adams County tornado sirens will work. That's because local, state, and federal laws regulating them are non-existent.